Okay, so here we go. This is the Intel ThinkCentre M270. It's going to go to the client. Just before that, let's do an unboxing and have a look at the inside. So the usual nice beautiful Lenovo full keyboard, mouse, power supply. Okay. This is a small form factor, i5 9th generation, so connections on the back, headphone, twin display, VGA, 4 USBs, power, serial, and a standard network connection. Alright, and in the front you got a Type-C, beautiful, 4 USBs, headphone and microphone separate, nice, and laptop style DVD drive. Who uses DVD drive nowadays? Okay, so let's have a look. What do we got? Front bezel. Okay, so just like the HP, they use the NVMe without the heatsink or some cooling, and a Wi-Fi module. Honestly, this is not different than that HP. Wow. The HP, the desktop I just reviewed last week, or this week, yeah. Wow. What have we got? So 2 PCI Express, 1 PCI. Power supply from Lighton. And expansion wise, Lenovo is nice. They give you a nice, oh bummer, okay, sorry, oops, that's too much bending. It doesn't like the bend. Yeah, so a bracket to mount your hard drive, and nice tidy little cables here, power and the, where's the power cable going? Right, so to connect the power, so they give you a power cable here, so it will connect to there, to here, you'll get power, and you'll need your own SATA cable, so don't forget you'll need another SATA cable to be able to transfer data if you need to. Alright, so that's running Windows 10 obviously, that's DDR4 obviously too, pretty much standard, yeah. Nothing else I guess. Yeah, what else I can say about this machine? That's it, pretty much it. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.